Okay, Artie doesn't know this yet, but he's going to lose his mind if y'all start uploading PDFs, documents, and images to this here section. So we're all going to do him a favor and start uploading spreadsheets. As a retired Google Ninja, I'm going to go ahead and show you my preferred method for uploading or accessing my roster via spreadsheet. So I'm here in Infinite Campus. Over on the left-hand side, I'm going to select Reports. And what you want right here is a gradebook export. And you want a gradebook export, select your section over here. You want it because it's going to generate a CSV file. So when you click on that, it's going to go right into your downloads. You can see I've tried screencasting this a few times. And there you go. You got a CSV on your your computer hard drive. So then we're going to hop into Google Drive and import that. Just drag and drop, and there you go. You can see I've already done this step. So here it is. That CSV file is going to become a Google Sheets. So when you select that, open that up. It's going to look something like this. Obviously, you're going to have a few more students, and they also probably are not going to be former presidents. But for privacy purposes, we went like this. You're also, depending on when you do this, you're probably going to have many columns of grades as well. So there's going to be a lot of information on this, but the good news is we're going to delete all of it. So pretty much these first 3 rows, we can just delete all this. And then columns B through whatever, you can go in and delete all of those as well. You won't need those. And again, you just select all those, right click and delete. You really only need this column A right here. Now you can see you can just leave it like this. Here's all the students with their ID number. But we're going to do already an additional favor right here. I'm going to select this column. I'm going to go to Data and select right here near the bottom, Split Text to Columns. It's going to detect automatically and just do the first space, but that's not what we want. We're going to go down to Custom and add, what are these things called? A hashtag. Select the £, and now that's all separated right like so. My personal preference is to bump it over to let's try that again, bump it over to the other side. So now that we got all that like that, now all the ID numbers are separated into their own cell. So then Artie will be able to just select that cell, copy, and paste it wherever he needs, probably back into Infinite Campus. This is going to make Artie's job still tedious, but a lot easier. So definitely you want to be doing it just like this. It's not my job to tell you how to do this, but do it like this. All right, cool. Thanks for watching.